Rolling down the street with the breeze in my face, wearing ladies' purple knickers. It feels good, they're made of lace. If you wanna join us, you'll have to pass the test. We will pick the ones who scratch angry asses bowls the best. Rolling down the street on our four-wheeled hogs, with the wind down our hair at 20 Ks, we're really moving along. We just keep on keeping on as we roll along. Our gang is two-sped strong. We are hell on four wheels, we are mongs. Rolling down the street, no one stands in our way. We've our nerf gun showing, we keep our rivals at bay. Rolling down the street with our stack hats on. The baskets on our handlebars are full of water bombs. Rolling down the street, we snot dripping from our nose. All the town Muntas wanna be our hoes. We just keep on keeping on as we roll along. Our gang is two-sped strong. We are hell on four wheels, we are mongs. Rolling down the street, we're getting bugs in our teeth. Sitting on an ass cushion, my hemorrhoids are getting relief. Rolling down the street, a shit bag is strapped to my leg. Bad boys, not right in the head. Bad boys, what you gonna do? If my shit bag bursts at 20 Ks, we'll be covered in poo. Rolling down the street, we were born to ride. I am purple knickers, an angry ass is sitting behind.